Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous class, we have seen how to define linked list in Python, and mainly we implemented two functions. One is add element, two is for display the elements in the linked list. So you can see the output over here. So in this class, we will see how we can delete an element from this linked list. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing, so let's say something like I want to delete this 2 from this linked list. How can we do it? So before deleting it, we should reach that element, right? So we will have to traverse till that element. Okay, when we find that element, what we have to do is we need to remove this node from here, and the link from 10 we need to remove from 2 to 3. That means this link has to be deleted. Does it make sense? So one more time, let's say something like we want to delete 32 from this linked list. Okay, so if that's the case, first we need to traverse till where we find the 32. Okay, once we find this 32, right? Okay, so what we have to do is the previous element has to link with the next element of identified one. Okay guys, so let's write this code how we can implement this one. Okay guys, I have modified our main method here so that we will have an option to delete or remove the node from the linked list. So you can see this here. Okay, so I have defined it, and let's move on to actually implementing this remove node method here. Okay, so this is the method that we need to implement, and let's take this is a linked list that we have, and we want to delete a, let's say, 32. Okay, from this linked list. So what we have to do in that case, as I said earlier, we will have to traverse. Okay, we will have to traverse till that element, and once we find it, right, and we will have to remove the link between the previous node and the current node. Okay, so if you see this, right, if you take this 3 as a previous node, and what will happen, so previous is connected with the current node. So what we have to do is, to remove the link between this previous node and the current node, we can simply do previous dot next is equal to, instead of current we can do current dot next. That time what will happen, this link will be removed actually. Okay, so this link will be removed and it will be something like this. Make sense? So let's define that. Okay, so first I will take a variable called current here, and that will be pointing to root. And initially, okay, initially in the first step, the root will be none. Okay, and as I said, we need a mechanism to traverse from node number 1 to last node. So that's why I will have a while loop here. Current is not none. Okay, till that time I want to traverse. So that's the reason inside the loop we will do current is equal to current dot next. This is cool, right? And now let's check. Let's check if the current dot data is equal to the value that user entered. Okay, if current dot data is equal to value. Okay, if it is value, what we have to do, we will implement that. But if else, if it is not that, that means let's say something like you are checking 10 first, and is it equal to value? No, right? So if it is not, then what we have to do, we have to move next, and we will have to make this 10 as a previous node, isn't it? So that's the reason we will do previous is equal to current node here. Okay, simple. And this guy will take care of moving forward in the linked list. Let's come to this here, the main implementation method. Here we need to check. Okay, we need to check if, okay, if this is the first node. Okay, if this is the first node, how do we know if it's the first node? Then we can check if previous is equal to none. Okay, if previous is equal to none, in that case, simple, it is very simple actually. If this is the case, that means you identified in the first node itself. That means we can just remove this node, right? To remove this, we can simply say head self dot head is equal to, okay, or is equal to, what we can do, we can do just current dot next. Okay, so is it head or root? What did we define here? This is head actually, not root. Okay, so let me rename this guy here. Got it? And else, if it is not the first node, if it is not the first node, what we can do is previous dot next is equal to current dot next, as I explained in this one here. Okay guys, so let's run this program and see what is the output that we are going to get. Yeah, I'm running this program now. Okay, so let's add some elements so that we will have to some elements to delete as well. So I'm entering the same way, like 10 3, and let's say another element is like 8, and then I will element whatever 32, and again I will enter, let's say 12, and now display. So what we have here, so this is the structure that we have here, right? So now I want to delete some 3 from this linked list. So for deleting, press enter 3, and now it is asking for element 3 here, so I entered 3. So let's check whether it is deleted or not. See, if you see this, we got this output right correctly. So that's it guys, it is very simple actually. The only thing is we need to visualize actually, so how we can traverse from node 1 to last node in the linked list, and how we can break this link between these nodes and all. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and in the next class we will see how we can reverse the linked list. That means from, it is, if you see this right, it is pointing from 10 to 12, and when you have an option for reversing, it has to be like 12, 32, 8 and 10. Okay, we will do that in the next class. Till then, take care.